This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
And after demonstrating UIA, and we also have like MCP for UIA, and I tested it, and it is doing amazing job. So it is not using AutoHotkey script. It is doing uh, Python, and from Python it is running the kind of a like UI automations, I think. So let me share my screen.
Wait, what were you talking about, Irfan?
The UIA MCP.
Oh, sorry, I missed the MCP part.
Yeah. So we have this MCP here called UI automation. So let me do MCP here. So if I do MCP, and you can see I got these MCP, and I can do some settings, but I just don't want to do it. So, and I can ask him, so can you see Telegram use UIA MCP? So it will go ahead and tell me. Okay, so I think it found it something. Something changed or something. Not sure about.
So this is really cool in that if you're on your phone and you're using Dispatch to talk to Claude Code remotely, you can tell it to automate your computer, but it can use UIA instead of doing screenshots and going really slowly, right? Like obviously we're not done here. We need to get it to work properly, but UIA will be able to really peek inside programs much better, and I think save a lot of token usage as well, and greatly improve the speed.
Ah, no. Uh, use UIA with Telegram and
And I think this is where if we would build a skill to not have to tell it this stuff, right?
yes, I need to build that skill. So it was doing attachment. It it sent attachment. I think I had a skill, but I replaced it. I think I deleted it when I was copying new skills, or
Okay,
maybe I have
we'll,
it
we'll work
there.
on it. Yeah, we'll still work on it. Do me a favor, Irfan, open the where did I save that? Scheduler. Where would I put that though? Maybe under Claude, under AI, Claude.
Mhm.
So I was reading how you can have like a headless version of Claude code and have it do stuff, right? Without any feedback. Like where you just tell it to do it and just does it, doesn't ask you back and forth. So yeah, so what occurred to me was even though you in Claude co-work, you can schedule tasks, why don't we use that approach to go in here? And so add a prompt, like say, tell me good morning or whatever. And you can pick a model, you can pick the effort you want, you can schedule it like the trigger, like is it at log on or every day at 6 a.m., whatever you want, right? Um, and there's also the so you have right there send results to Telegram when complete task completes. So I connected that. This one's probably hard coded to my bot, um, but it sends myself alerts, and you can hit run now, and you don't even have to schedule it. So this would actually be if it did it, and it should send it, I think, to my. You guys won't see it, but I can forward it. Did you hit the run now? Oh, okay. Well, don't worry about it because it's maybe that's in my special settings. Um,
Yeah, this pure setting.
but I think it's a really cool idea, right? So that way you don't have to have because Claude co-work. I've talked to a lot of people and it's been buggy at best. So I thought this was a cool idea to basically run Claude, and maybe we can have it log into a file instead of going to Telegram. But we need some way to get the feedback, get the results, like what was done, right? What it came up with. Right now, I have it every evening giving me an idea on like a new skill I should create. Look at my daily routine and then tell me something I might want to do. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.